How to select a game in Fire Kirin for the first time. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you are on the home screen or main lobby, you will see a variety of game options displayed. These are the different games available inside the Fire Kirin game. Take a moment to browse through the list. You will see popular games like Insect Paradise, Golden Legend Plus, and other casino-style games, each with its own theme, rules, and rewards. To select a game for the first time, simply tap on the game icon or title you are interested in. This will take you into the game's loading screen. Before the game begins, you might be shown a quick overview. If you are not sure which game to start with, you can look for beginner-friendly games or try the demo versions if available. Choosing a simple and easy to understand game is a great way to get familiar with the app. Once the game loads, you are ready to play. Make sure your coin balance is enough before you start and enjoy your first gaming experience on Fire Kirin. Now you know how to select a game in Fire Kirin for the first time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.